In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Amazon Prime Video cookies. Let's explore how to manage these cookies to ensure a smooth streaming experience. Now, if you're looking to stay signed in or manage your cookies for Prime Video properly, you're in the right place. First, we need to allow cookies for Prime Video in your browser. Start by opening your browser's settings. This is typically found in the upper right corner of your browser window. Look for a small icon that resembles three dots or lines. Once you click on it, a drop-down menu should appear. From here, select Settings. Once that is done, navigate to Privacy and Security. This section is crucial because it controls how your browser handles your data. In this area, look for an option related to cookies. The exact wording may vary depending on your browser, but it will usually mention cookies directly. Make sure that cookies are allowed. If your browser supports site exceptions, you can add Prime Video as an allowed site. This ensures that your browser will accept cookies specifically from Prime Video, which is important for remembering your login and preferences. After adjusting these settings, refresh the Prime Video page and sign in normally. Amazon uses cookies to remember your login details and your viewing preferences, so allowing them helps maintain your personalized experience. Now let's address what to do if you're experiencing sign-in issues or if Prime Video won't load properly. Sometimes corrupted cookies can cause these problems. In such cases, it's helpful to clear cookies related to Prime Video. To do this, open your browser's settings again. Go back to the Privacy and Security section. This time, look for an option labeled Clear Browsing Data or Site Settings. Within this section, you'll have the option to remove cookies and site data. Specifically, you'll want to remove the cookies for Amazon.com and PrimeVideo.com. Doing so will clear any corrupted data that might be causing issues like repeated logouts or playback problems. After clearing these cookies, it's a good idea to restart your browser. This simple step helps ensure that all changes take effect properly. Once your browser is back up, sign in to Prime Video again. Often this solves many common login and playback problems. Remember, managing cookies is essential for a seamless experience. Allowing cookies where necessary and clearing them when problems arise can save you a lot of time and frustration. Cookies are vital for storing important session data, and keeping them in check ensures you can enjoy your favorite movies and shows without interruptions. With that ready, you are now equipped to handle any cookie-related issues with Prime Video. By following these steps, you'll ensure your streaming experience remains as smooth as possible. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Happy streaming!